Welcome to Little Pete's Garage.
Today, we're working on this 159,000 mile 1996 Dodge Dakota. It's in a wonderful condition, about showroom quality, but it has a PCV valve, which is not PCV in. PCV stands for positive crankcase ventilation valve. What that means is as your engine makes pressure, that's on this side, it will come up and be fed into the intake manifold, where excess oil vapors will be burned by the engine, increasing or decreasing emissions, making things run more efficient and better for the atmosphere and all that stuff. If you're a horsepower fanatic, you'll like to know that as your crankcase ventilation pressure increases, you can actually produce boost or pressure into the intake, at least supplying a pressure. Now, once it's dropped into the intake, that pressure like drops off to basically normal atmospheric pressure, but you'll at least have a positive pressure coming out of this valve. At high idle, not high idle, sorry, at high RPM, when you're really cranking out that those horsepowers. So, let's get into it. It's under the hood, over there. Step one, pop the hood. Normally, down in this area, hood. Luckily, didn't break handle. Plastic, brittle. Hood prop. Don't drop big metal hood on your head. Bad. And here we have it. PCV Valve. I should just kind of give her a yanker out of there. There's the old one. These go one way, free blow. Eking good. And the other way. Not so much. One way check valve. Top goes in top. Bottom goes in bottom. I blow one way. Other way. Broken. New one installed. Job done. Thanks for watching.